My name is Graham Norris. Today is September 13th, 2024. And this is a follow-up video from yesterday on this very important topic of litigation in a real estate business. And I'm going to go over how to mitigate and handle litigation and what's an affordable solution to all this. So let's get started. Now picture this. You're finally living your dream. After years of hard work, you've built up a solid real estate portfolio. The passive income is rolling in, and you're thinking, I've made it. And then out of nowhere, you receive a certified letter. Your heart sinks as you read the words, Notice of Pending Litigation. A former tenant is claiming that a minor repair you thought was handled years ago resulted in a serious injury. You dig through your files, certain you've got proof of the repair, but you find nothing. The contractor you hired? Out of business. The only witness moved out of state. Now you're not just fighting a claim, you're fighting for your reputation, your investment, and your future. And every single day this drags on, it's costing you not just money, but sleep, peace of mind, and that dream you've worked so hard to build. Or consider this. You've just signed a deal with a new property manager for your latest acquisition. Things start off great. Rent is being collected, maintenance requests are being handled, and you're starting to relax a little bit. And then suddenly, rent payments are late. Complaints from tenants are piling up, and before you know it, the manager is nowhere to be found, leaving you with angry tenants, empty units, and the prospect of months, maybe years of lost income. You think of calling a lawyer, but each call feels like another drain on your dwindling cash reserves. The stress is unbearable. The sleepless nights stretch into weeks, and you start to wonder, is this what I signed up for? And then there's the investor who thought he did everything right. He researched the area, checked the comps, bought a property in a rapidly developing neighborhood. Things were going well until a new zoning regulation blindsided him. Suddenly, the property wasn't just underperforming, it was bleeding him dry. The losses mounted, and with each passing month, he was caught in a vicious cycle of trying to fix a situation that he had no control over. Legal advice was needed at every turn, but the constant bills only made the losses sting more. These aren't just setbacks, they're nightmares that can unravel everything. Moments that make you question every decision, every move, every ounce of energy you poured into this business. And the worst part? You're alone. When you're up against the wall, who's really there to have your back? But imagine, for a moment, what if it didn't have to be this way? What if, instead of fighting these battles alone, you had a team of seasoned legal experts ready to jump in at a moment's notice? Experts who aren't watching the clock, who aren't thinking about their next invoice, but who are genuinely invested in protecting your investments. Imagine not worrying about surprise bills, but having peace of mind, knowing every lease, every contract, every potential lawsuit is handled. Picture having the confidence to make bold moves, knowing that someone has already checked every angle for you, without bleeding your profits dry. Imagine the freedom to focus on growth, on finding the next big deal without that knot in your stomach every time the phone rings or an email pings. There's a solution to this, one that doesn't just patch up the cracks, but fortifies your entire investment strategy against unexpected threats. But here's the catch. Not everybody knows about it. Not everyone will seize it. And those who don't, they'll keep playing the same game, facing the same risks, and praying they don't get hit next. But you're different. You're here because you know there has to be a better way. Because you see value in being proactive, in taking control, in not letting anyone, no tenant, no contractor, no random lawsuit take away what you've built. So ask yourself, can you afford to miss out on a solution that could save you thousands and give you peace of mind? Can you risk another year of sleepless nights, of fighting uphill battles alone? Don't just wonder, take action. Find out how you can protect everything you've worked so hard for. Because in real estate, it's not just about the deals you make, it's about the ones you keep. Are you ready to find out more? Don't wait, because the opportunity to safeguard your future won't be around forever. Simply comment below with the words protected and book a one-on call with me on calendly.com/Graham Norris. Please note I'm only responding to those who follow the above instructions. Thank you for listening.